To start, make sure you have all the parts listed in the instruction manual. First, separate the drawer runners by pulling them apart whilst pressing the plastic catch. Then, screw the drawer runners to the left side panel and internal panel using the screws provided. Next, screw the flapstay onto the right side panel using the screws provided. Screw the metal dowels into the top panel and add the push catches as shown. Put the side panels and internal panel into place and secure by inserting and tightening the metal cams. Slide the back panel into position and fix using the screws. The large cutout should be facing the top. Next, screw the hinges into the base panel using the screws provided. Separate the two parts of the hinge by loosening the centre screw. Place the base panel into position and secure using the large screws. Insert the metal dowels into the base panel. Push the plinth onto the dowels and securely fix by inserting and tightening the metal cams. The open back of the plinth should face the back of the unit. Next, fit the caster blocks to the base using the large bolts. Fit the casters to the blocks, remembering to put the casters with brakes on the rear blocks. Screw the hinges onto the door using the screws provided. Next, screw the metal plates onto the door as shown using the screws provided. Separate the plate from the flapstay and screw to the door using the screws provided. Place the door into position and tighten the flapstay screw and the central hinge screw. The alignment of the door can be altered by adjusting the two screws on the internal part of the hinge. Always remember to tighten the central screw to secure the door. The small screw moves the door up and down. Next, screw the drawer runners onto the drawer using the screws provided. Push the drawers into the cabinet, remembering to line up the runners on each side. Insert the shelf pins at the desired height. Next, insert the glass shelf into the cabinet. For DVD and Blu-ray storage, simply peel the adhesive covers off the trays and stick inside the drawer. Finally, peel off the protective film covering the high glass side panels and edges. The glass and internal parts do not have a protective film. Once the cabinet is in position, simply push the catches on the casters to prevent it moving. Element is now complete and ready to use.